been so long, but I am currently on my way to Menards because I am going to be doing my home office space since I have no idea when I'll be back in my office building, and I just want like a nice little study space to like do my devotionals and everything as well. So why not make a home office? I bought this super cute black desk from Facebook Marketplace for $30. It's from IKEA, and I'm so happy that I found this, but I actually really want to turn it white, and I'll show you guys a picture of what I really want to do on the desk wise or my office space. But I'm going to Menards. I need to get some paint to paint my desk, as well as get some floating shelves, because I feel like who doesn't want some super cute floating shelves with like random stuff on it. So that's what I'm gonna go do, and I feel like it's just gonna motivate me to work on my planner and work a little bit better because I'll have a better space to work at. I have like this super cute like small nook in my living room area that it's just kind of used for storage right now, but I feel like it'll be a perfect spot for my desk. So this is the desk, and this is the chair. Okay, so I'm not really a pro at this, but I got a paint and primer from Menards, and I think it was about $15 for this quart of it. It's a Dutch Boy Forever paint and primer, and it's a satin finish, so it's going to have a little bit of a shine to it. The floating shelves I got for $20 a piece from Menards, and I only got 2. Shout out to my brother who helped put my floating shelves up. I kind of was unsure about where to put them at, but he actually kind of helped me a lot. So if, as you can see, the coat on this paint is like going on pretty well. I just thought it would look sweet in slow motion. But really, this was a really good quality paint, and you can really DIY anything for a low price, honestly. I'm super excited because when I looked on the website for IKEA, the white desk was actually like $75, but the delivery was going to be over $100. So I look super crazy, but it's my day off. I haven't did a YouTube video in a long time. Literally picked the best day to do this. This is just one coat, so you guys will see the progress here. This is the most important part. But look how beautiful it was that day when we decided to do that. Literally, if it wasn't for my brother, I would not have been able to put those floating shelves up, but he's like a handyman for sure. Shout out to my husband. He's helping. He's actually doing a lot better than what I did. All hands on deck. I just kind of am overseeing mostly. So basically it's done painted. It looks really good. And we're just waiting for it to dry. So I'm gonna leave it out here for a couple of hours while it dries, and then I can take it inside. All right, so it's been like an hour. So I went out and did some stuff, and then I came back. And my desk is finally dry, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like without anything on it or anything, so we'll see. So this is the area now. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put that, so we'll see. But I'm gonna put some stuff on the shelves and on my desk to see how it looks. Alright, so I'm not showing myself because I kind of look a little crazy. But this is the end result. And this is what it looks like with my computer system chilling on here. Now the chair, we're going to save that for a different day because realized that the chair had a stain on it. So the white is actually turning a little brown. So I stopped. I may or may not spray paint it because honestly, I'm not even really going to use it. I'm actually going to be buying a nice desk chair anyways. So, but yes, this is the end result. I'll give you guys a wide view so you guys can see. This is what it's looking like now. I'm excited, and I'm excited to get a nice desk chair to go along with it. Don't mind all these cords. This is just for the time being while working from home. I do have a laptop. It's currently getting fixed right now. And once I move that, all of this junk back to my work building, once everything opens up again, it'll be a lot cleaner.